Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Good now? Today we will read from the book Scroll. Scroll. This is your computer book. This is your computer book. So take out page number 7. Page number 7 and chapter number 1. This is your chapter number 1. Machines. Chapter number 1. Page number 7. So what we are going to read today? We are going to read about machines. Before that, let's know what are natural things and man-made things. Natural things and man-made things. See this picture? See this picture? Let's see what is there inside this picture. Let's go.
Table. We saw table, sofa, wall clock, lamp with its stand, cushions. 4 types of cushions are there. Window. Outside the window you can see trees. Plant. Inside the house, plant. And flower in the flower vase.
What we saw in the pictures? In the picture, we saw flowers, plant, sofa, table. Among these, some are man-made and some are natural things. So let's see what are natural things. Then we will proceed for what are man-made things.
Natural things. So the things that are not made by man are known as natural things. The things that are not made by man are known as natural things. Like river, sea, water, fruits, vegetables, leafy vegetables, mountains, forest, trees, plants, flowers, moon, star, planet, sun, cloud are natural things. Man-made things, those are made by man. Is known as man-made things. Things that are made by man are known as man-made things. Like some objects, tea, coffee. Sometimes our mama brings coffee and tea for our fathers. Cup, saucer, book, pen, toys, ball, cake, biscuit, fan, bar light, tube light, door curtains, door. They are made of wood, door and windows.
So what are natural things and man-made things? Natural things are those which are not made by man, but they exist naturally. ऐसे ही मिल जाता है. Air is a natural thing. Water is a natural thing. Tree is a natural thing. We get vegetables, fruits. These are all natural things. So what are man-made things? Those things which are made by man. My iCard is made by a man. Made by a human being. My bindi sticker is made by a human being. My clothes are made by a human being. The food which I eat is made by my mother. Okay, so natural things are those things which we get naturally. They exist in our environment. What do you see in a house? We see fan, then fan, tube light or bar light, mirror, mobile phone. In a house we see all this. When you go to a garden or park with your parents, what do you see? You see fish. In Biju Patnaik Park you see fish. Fish is a natural thing. You see fishes, na there? When you put something, they come and eat that things which you put inside the pond. So they are natural things. Flowers, grasses, tree, mountains. These are all natural things. Man-made things, they are also necessary for us. Natural things, they are very important for us. Without them, we cannot live. So, let's go for our exercise.
आज हमने क्या पढ़ा? Natural things and man-made things. What are natural things? Things that are not made by man are known as natural things, such as sun, moon, tree. सूरज को हम नहीं बना सकते, मून को नहीं बना सकते, इवन फ्लावर्स को भी हम नेचुरली नहीं बना सकते. सो दे आर नेचुरल थिंग्स. जिसे हम नहीं बना सकते वो नेचुरल थिंग्स है, और जिसे हम बना सकते हैं दे आर मैन मेड थिंग्स. थिंग्स दैट आर मेड बाय मैन, सच एज कार, टेलीफोन, क्लॉक. You can do drawing, those are man-made things. Next, come for the exercise on page number 7. Write N for natural things and M, capital letter for man-made things. See monkey. Can we make a monkey? हम बना सकते हैं क्या monkey को? नहीं. So it is a natural thing. You have to write N, capital letter N. Color pencil. Yes. Color pencil are made by man. So you have to write M, man-made. Key. Key is made by man. Lock and key made by man. Write down M, capital letter M. Rainbow. अरे rainbow. When we see on the sky, जब हम आसमान पे देखते हैं रेनबो, कितना सुंदर लगता है. कौन बनाया है उसको? It is not a man-made thing. It is a natural thing. So rainbow, write in the box N, capital letter N. Tomatoes. Tomato is a natural thing. Tree, छोटा सा plant होता है, plant से हमें tomatoes मिलते हैं. So it is a natural thing. N. Cookies. अरे घर पे कभी कभी मम्मीज भी बना लेते हैं cookies, और मार्केट से भी हम खरीद के लाते हैं cookies. Cookies are man-made things. So write M. This is your book work, page number 7. Do it. Come to our notebook work. Put the date. What is the date today? 10/5/2021. And day is Monday. Today is your Monday. So 10/5/2021. Write down natural things. 6 natural things I have wrote. You have to write. Learn the spellings of this, because I will give you questions. Write 2 natural things or 3 natural things or 4 man-made things. This type of question will come. So prepare this one. Natural things: sun, moon, star, tree, bird, fruits. I have left 1, 2, 3, 4 lines here. Same way 4 lines you have to cover it up here. यहाँ पर 4 lines लिखोगे, यहाँ पर 4 lines लिखोगे. 4 times you have to write sun, 4 times you have to write moon. Complete this. Natural things: sun, moon, star, tree, bird, fruits. 4 times you have to write. Man-made things. Things which are made by man is known as man-made things. Pen, pencil, book, key, toys, cake. These are man-made things. So you have to complete 4 times. Again you have to write. Now say, put the date 10/5/2021. After writing those words, come here, circle the natural things, tick the man-made things. Some words I have written. Some words means those words which I have given there on the pages. Other pages I have given the words. मैंने वो पेज पे जो words दिया वही यहाँ पर लिखा है. So sun, pen, toys, tree, moon, books, key, fruits, cake, all this I have written. You have to find out which is natural thing and man-made thing. To natural thing you have to circle them, circle करना है, and man-made things को you have to tick.
Every man-made thing you have to tick. See, sun, pen, toys. I have wrote like this. Sun is a natural thing. Natural thing. So I did a circle. Circle the natural thing. Pen, pen. Pen is a man-made thing. So tick it here. Toys, toys, toys are man-made thing. Tick. Tree, tree is a natural thing. Circle it. Moon, moon is also a natural thing. Circle. Book, book is man-made thing. Tick. See, others I have wrote key, fruits, cake, star, pencil, bird. You have to do this. Thank you. Do it.